Hello you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. Today's video is another super exciting one because I'm going to be unboxing the Revolution and Wizard of Oz Christmas gift sets. So we have two bad boys here. We have this huge one, which is the Emerald City set, and this retails for £35, $48, €39.99 or 70 Australian dollars. And then we also have the Yellow Brick Road set, which retails for £15, $20, €17.99 or 30 Australian dollars. I personally prefer the bigger one, but I'll show you the little one first and then we'll go into my grand finale because the bigger one's my favourite one. So this is what the packaging looks like. I absolutely love that they were allowed to use like the proper characters on the packaging because I know sometimes that isn't allowed. In here you get two products and two brushes. The first thing is this super sparkly golden gloss. Ooh, which smells quite sweet. And it's kind of like a clear sparkly one. I would show you up close, but my camera does not want to focus, so I'm going to leave it to have its own little moment. You also get a full-size exclusive palette, which just looks like this, and then when you open her up, this is just what it looks like. Loads of nice sparkly ones in here. So we have 7 mattes and 8 shimmers in here. Sometimes when I hold it back it shows you the colours better, and this one obviously you can actually tell that it is deeper than when I held it up against the lighting. And I love that it has obviously the gold in here. Really excited. If you want me to do a look on this, let me know. And of course you do get 2 themed brushes. This is just what they look like. So obviously they've been done so they look like the Yellow Brick Road, and we have a blending one and then a packing on, which to be fair are the 2 brushes that I must use whenever I'm doing a look. I always use a brush like this to pack on my colour and obviously use one to blend. So that is the smaller gift set. Again, if you want me to do any videos on these, please let me know. We're moving on to the big bad boy. If you are a lover of Wizard of Oz, you are going to love this so much. This is what it looks like. So absolutely huge, all golden to match the vibe. And then when you open her up, she has this little yellow tissue, and then this is the inside. I honestly feel like they've done this so well, and you get so much stuff in here. So you get 2 little Dorothy bubbles with a little bows on. Cute as, so cute. You get a tin highlighter, which I've scratched to pieces when I've been opening everything. And the highlighter is literally like Tin Man. Absolutely Tin Man goals. Says no heart, all hollow. The formula for this is so creamy. Oh my god, look at that. It is super, super icy, super blinding. It's a very like foily texture. So I'm not too sure how this will be on textured skin. We will soon find out when I do use it as a highlighter, because it always goes on different when it's swatched compared to as a highlighter. But she is blinding. And of course you can use this as an eyeshadow as well. So I can pop a little bit on. You could like use it as like a little bit of an eyeshadow. Obviously this is very lightly using whatever was left on my finger after swatching it. Just to add a little shim shim. There's also a blusher in here. Like I said, this is such a good gift set, and the blusher saying is I even scare myself. So obviously this is from the Lion. I feel like it's so shimmery my camera won't catch it. You can see the colour a bit better there. I was trying to hold it up close, but my camera just keeps making it go like really washed out. You can see there it's like looks really washed out, but it's actually that kind of colour. Let me do a sneaky little swatch. I'm trying to swatch it without getting rid of the of the stain. You see the swatch, oh there. And then that's what it looks like. Swatch. Oh, so shimmery and so cute. There's also a palette, which is the little ruby slippers. And then in here, it has a little plastic thing that says, surrender, Dorothy. And then inside it says, there's no place like home. I wish these pans were a little bit bigger because they are quite small. So my camera is just hating how much I'm using it recently. Because obviously the packaging is like reflective, my lights are just like washing everything out as well, which is not helping. I'm gonna have to hold it back here for you to be able to see it because it's just not working when I hold it up close. Come in! Has like a little Dorothy and Toto imprints in it. So stinking cute. I'm still not in focus and my camera is just not. Look at it. Calm down. It's because I've been using it every single day this month. It's like, I want a break. And I'm like, me too. Me too. So that is the palette. So sorry I can't hold that up to show you up close. We also have a eyeliner in here, like a golden eyeliner. It has like a little yellow brick road on it. We have a super sparkly lip gloss, like a reddy pinky colour. You can see that it's more like a purpley reddy colour. But this might be for, you know, like the horse that changes colour. Because obviously it has like the Emerald City on it. We also have her own little gloss, I can't call. This one is beautiful and it has the Good Witch on it. Again, my camera just doesn't want to focus. I'll try and put pictures in if I can. And it's more of like a paler, you can see it here, sparkly gloss. Oh, it smells so sweet. It smells lovely. And last but not least, we have a little sponge and it has little Toto's face on it. It's so stinking cute. It's super, super soft and squidgy, and obviously it has his little face on it. Look at that. So cute. So yeah, I honestly think that this gift set is amazing. Like, you're getting a palette, you're getting a blusher, a highlighter, eyeliner, sponge, 2 lip glosses for £35. Absolutely unbelievable, especially if you're somebody, oh, obviously you get the bubbles as well. Unbelievable, especially if you're somebody that's really, really into Wizard of Oz. Like, this is just going to be a perfect gift set for yourself or for somebody else. And I just feel like they absolutely nailed it. I just wish that there was like a ruby red lip or something in the collection. For that would have been like, or something like Munchkin themed. I think that would have been cool as well. So there's so much that they could have done with this collection. Like, they could have done like a full collection. I really hope that they do. But yeah, I'm obsessed with both these gift sets. The bigger one is my favourite, like 100% my favourite. Please let me know if you want to do any reviews with these, and I'll try and get onto that as soon as possible. Just bear with, I am burning out from all these videos. I do work full time separately to my YouTube, which is like my hobby. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. I'll leave my recent licensed collabs from Revolution videos linked down below, and I'll see you tomorrow probably, no doubt, for a brand new video. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.